Health benefits of curry powder, nutrition facts and common side effects. If you want to know the amazing benefits of curry spice, this video is all you need. Please sit tight and watch it in full to also learn about its side effects. Curry powder is a common kitchen spice found in many homes. This popular spice offers great health benefits that many people are not even aware of. For one, the major ingredient of curry is turmeric, the substance that gives curry its yellowish-orange color, which is used as a natural remedy for many health problems. Turmeric is powerful in the treatment of health conditions like joint pains due to the presence of curcumin. Nutritional facts about curry powder. Curry powder contains important nutrients needed by the body for good health. It is rich in proteins, minerals like potassium and sodium, vitamins A, B6, and C. Other vital elements are calcium, magnesium, iron, and fiber. Health benefits of curry powder. For strong bones and teeth. The calcium content in curry powder makes it a good treat for the bones and teeth. Moreover, the presence of magnesium is also helpful in maintaining healthy bones. For treating inflammations. Curcumin is an anti-inflammatory compound that helps in the treatment of swellings and diseases including arthritis and IBD, inflammatory bowel disease. Immune booster. Besides the anti-inflammatory properties of curcumin, it is also an antioxidant. Thus, adding curry powder to your meal is a great way of boosting your immune system. As a remedy for abnormal blood clotting. Although this can be a two-edged sword, eating curry helps to slow down blood clotting. However, it is advised that curry should be avoided if you are on anticoagulant medication. To reduce the effects of aging. Aging can bring a toll on the overall health. This is partly because of the fact that the muscular tissues can begin to degenerate. The high amounts of vitamin C in curry powder can help to remedy this aging process by slowing down the process. To prevent heart diseases. Curry powder also contains vasodilating compounds that help in the prevention of heart diseases. Aside from this, the fiber content of curry powder assists in regulating body cholesterol. Good for the brain. Curcumin also helps to detoxify the body of harmful substances that may block the neural pathways. This makes curry powder a recommendation for people suffering from brain diseases like Alzheimer's. Good for the liver. The health benefits of curcumin are just numerous. This same compound helps to eliminate toxins in the liver as well as in preventing cancerous growth in the organ. Side effects of consuming curry powder. While curry powder is beneficial to the body when consumed moderately, it becomes harmful if it is taken in excess. The following are some of the side effects of consuming curry powder. Digestive problems. Consuming excess amounts of curry powder can lead to digestive problems like stomach upset, diarrhea, and nausea. Increased bleeding. As already pointed out, curry powder can help in treating abnormal blood clotting. This can also be a problem as it might increase the risk of bleeding. Moderate consumption is recommended to get the best from this spice. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more research-based home remedies, natural health tips and motivational videos. Don't forget to also subscribe to our Natural Living channel using the link in the description box below. Follow us on Facebook at Natural Herb Cures and Twitter at Natural Herb Cure and our official website at naturalhealingguides.com.